Canon continues to set benchmarks in the world of photography and videography with its innovative approach to camera technology. As 2025 unfolds, the brand's latest advancements reflect a commitment to empowering creators with tools that elevate both professional and personal projects. With a focus on image quality, speed, and adaptability, Canon's offerings cater to a diverse range of needs, from capturing breathtaking landscapes to documenting fast-paced action.
The latest developments underscore Canon's dedication to combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, ensuring photographers and videographers can push creative boundaries effortlessly. Whether it's mastering light in challenging conditions or delivering seamless performance for hybrid shooting, Canon cameras remain a trusted choice. As the industry evolves, the company continues to inspire through its innovation, allowing creators to explore new dimensions of storytelling and artistry.
Canon EOS R1. The Canon EOS R1 is a flagship mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers who demand exceptional performance. It features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, delivering rapid readout speeds and high-quality imagery. The camera's burst rate reaches up to 40 frames per second in RAW format, ensuring swift capture of fast-moving subjects. Autofocus performance is a highlight, with the EOS R1 offering advanced subject detection and tracking capabilities. The eye control autofocus system, which adjusts focus based on eye movement, enhances user experience, though some users have noted calibration challenges. The camera's build quality is robust, featuring dual CF Express Type B card slots for efficient data handling. Its fully articulated LCD screen and high-resolution electronic viewfinder provide versatile shooting options. However, the EVF's resolution is slightly lower than that of the EOS R3, and the LCD panel's resolution is reduced compared to its predecessor. In terms of video capabilities, the EOS R1 supports 6K recording up to 60 frames per second in Canon's internal recording C-RAW light mode, and 10-bit 4K recording up to 120 frames per second. In summary, the Canon EOS R1 is a high-performance camera tailored for professionals seeking speed, advanced autofocus, and robust build quality. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a high-performance mirrorless camera that builds upon its predecessor's legacy, offering significant enhancements for both photographers and videographers. Equipped with a 45-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality with improved dynamic range and reduced noise. The camera's continuous shooting capabilities are impressive, achieving up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action. Autofocus performance has been notably enhanced, featuring eye-controlled autofocus subject selection, which allows users to select focus points by simply looking at them in the viewfinder. For videographers, the EOS R5 Mark II offers robust video capabilities, including 8K RAW video recording at up to 60 frames per second, providing high-resolution footage suitable for professional production needs. The camera also features in-body image stabilization, compensating for camera shake, and ensuring steady handheld shooting. The build quality of the EOS R5 Mark II is robust, featuring dual CF Express Type B and SD UHS-2 card slots for efficient data handling. Its fully articulated LCD screen and high-resolution electronic viewfinder provide versatile shooting options. In summary, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a versatile and powerful camera that caters to the needs of both photographers and videographers. Canon PowerShot V10. The Canon PowerShot V10 is a compact camera designed for vloggers and content creators seeking a portable solution without compromising on quality. Weighing just 210 grams, it features a 1-inch sensor and a fixed 18mm f2.8 lens, offering a wide field of view ideal for self-recording. In terms of video performance, the V10 supports 4K recording at 30 frames per second and full high definition at 60 frames per second. The camera includes digital image stabilization to reduce camera shake, though it may introduce a slight crop to the frame. Face tracking autofocus ensures subjects remain sharp, enhancing the vlogging experience. For still photography, the V10 captures 20.1 megapixel images, delivering pleasing results suitable for casual shooting. The built-in fold-out stand eliminates the need for additional tripods, streamlining the setup process. While the V10 offers convenience and portability, its fixed lens and reliance on digital stabilization may limit versatility compared to other cameras in its class. In summary, the Canon PowerShot V10 is a user-friendly camera tailored for vloggers seeking a lightweight and straightforward solution for content creation. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera that excels in both photography and videography. It features a 24.2 megapixel sensor, delivering high-quality images with excellent dynamic range and low light performance. The camera offers continuous shooting at 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter, making it suitable for capturing fast-paced action. Autofocus performance is enhanced with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, providing fast and accurate subject tracking across a wide area. The camera's 6K video recording at 60 frames per second, including ProRes RAW output with an external recorder, offers high-quality footage for professional use. The EOS R6 Mark II features a robust build with dual UHS-2 SD memory card slots, a vari-angle LCD touchscreen, and a 3.69-million-dot OLED electronic viewfinder. Its in-body image stabilization system compensates for camera shake, ensuring steady handheld shooting. In summary, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a powerful and flexible camera that meets the demands of both photographers and videographers, offering advanced features and performance enhancements that make it a compelling choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Canon EOS R3. The Canon EOS R3 is a high-performance mirrorless camera tailored for professional photographers specializing in sports, wildlife, and photojournalism. It features a 24.1 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, delivering rapid readout speeds and exceptional image quality. The camera offers continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, ensuring swift capture of fast-moving subjects. Autofocus performance is a standout feature, with the EOS R3 utilizing dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2 technology and subject detection capabilities. The eye-controlled autofocus system, which adjusts focus based on eye movement, enhances user experience, though some users have noted calibration challenges. Its fully articulated LCD screen and high-resolution electronic viewfinder provide versatile shooting options. In terms of video capabilities, the EOS R3 supports 6K recording up to 60 frames per second in Canon's internal recording C-RAW Lite mode, and 10-bit 4K recording up to 120 frames per second. It also includes a tally lamp and a full-size HDMI port, enhancing its utility for professional videographers. While the EOS R3 excels in speed and autofocus, its 24.1 megapixel resolution may not satisfy those requiring higher detail for large prints. In summary, the Canon EOS R3 is a high-performance camera tailored for professionals seeking speed, advanced autofocus, and robust build quality.